Let's talk about the unsung hero of your home. You know, the part that works 24/7 through every season to protect everything and everyone you care about. But you probably don't think about it until something goes wrong. Yeah, we're talking about your roof, your home's first and most important line of defense. So I'll ask you straight up, what's the most important part of your house you almost never think about? You got it. It's the roof. It's your home's silent guardian, just up there taking a beating day in and day out. And honestly, understanding how to take care of it is one of the smartest things you can do as a homeowner. And believe me, that protection is constantly being tested, especially if you're somewhere like New Jersey. The weather there can be absolutely brutal. You've got heavy snow and ice in the winter, then crazy rain and blazing sun in the summer. All of that means your roof is under a relentless assault all year long. And this slide really breaks down what that assault looks like. We're not talking about just a little bit of weather. An ice dam, for instance, that can form on the edge of your roof and trap melting snow, which then forces its way under your shingles. Then you add the crushing weight of snow, high winds that can just peel shingles back like the lid of a can, or just, plain old aging. And you've got a recipe for disaster that almost always starts small and completely out of sight. So here's the game plan for today. We're going to start by looking at the roof as your home's first defense. Then we'll walk through a proper roof health checkup and figure out how to decode the damage report you get back. After that, we'll cover what it takes to build a new shield for your home and wrap up with how to pick the right person for the job. All right, let's dive into the single most important proactive step you can take, the professional roof inspection. Think of this not as a reaction to a leak, but more like your roof's annual physical. It's all about catching little issues before they spiral into total catastrophes. So when should you actually schedule this checkup? Well, a great rule of thumb is twice a year, in the spring and fall, to kind of prep for and recover from the worst weather. After a big storm with high winds or hail, it's pretty much non-negotiable. And of course, it's absolutely critical if you're buying or selling a house, or the second you see those dreaded water spots on your ceiling. So what really happens during one of these inspections? Well, a real pro does a comprehensive 4-point check. They're on the outside, looking at every single shingle and all the flashing around chimneys. They're assessing the whole structure for any sagging. Then, and this is super important, they go inside, into your attic, to look for stains, mold, and proper ventilation, because a poorly ventilated attic can literally cook your roof from the inside out. And finally, they'll evaluate the quality of any previous work that's been done. After all that digging around, you should get a detailed report. This is your power. This is what lets you make a smart decision. It should never just be a, hey, you need a new roof. It needs to have high-res photos showing you exactly what they found, crystal clear recommendations, and totally transparent cost estimates. You want zero ambiguity here. Okay, the inspection is done. You've got the report in your hand. This right here, this is the turning point. Now you have all the data you need to make a really critical decision about the future of your home's protection. Now, based on what's in that report, you're generally going to head down one of two paths. Over on the left, you've got a roof replacement. This is for an existing home, and the key thing here is that all the old stuff gets torn off first. That lets them check the wood deck underneath for any damage. On the right, a new installation is pretty much just for brand new houses. So for most of us, dealing with an older roof, replacement is the journey we're on. And here's why that decision is so incredibly important. As the source material puts it, ignoring minor damage now can lead to major repairs later. I mean, think about it. That tiny leak you can't even see, it doesn't just stay tiny. It silently soaks into wood, it rots your home structure, it ruins insulation, and it can lead to repair bills that are way, way bigger down the road. So let's say you've made the call to replace the roof. What does that actually look like? I know it can seem like a huge, messy job, but it's actually a very structured, methodical process designed from the ground up to build a brand new, long-lasting shield over your head. The whole thing really breaks down into these 7 key stages. After the initial inspection, the crew comes in and removes every single piece of the old roof. And that step is vital because it's the only way to see the wood decking underneath and replace any soft or rotted spots. Then comes all the new waterproofing layers. Only after that do the new shingles go on, followed by flashing, vents, and finally, a really thorough cleanup and a final walkthrough. It's a very deliberate, step-by-step build. Of course, a huge part of the process is picking your materials. As you can see, asphalt shingles are definitely the most common choice. They're a great balance of cost and a solid 25-plus year lifespan. Then you can step up to metal roofing, which lasts way longer. We're talking 40 to 70 years. And then you have slate, the king of roofs, which can literally last for over 100 years. So what does all that mean for your wallet? This chart gives you a pretty clear picture of the New Jersey averages. An asphalt shingle roof might land around $9,000. A metal roof jumps up to about $19,000. And a slate roof? Well, because it lasts forever, it comes in at an average of over $32,000. It's a classic trade-off, right? Upfront investment versus long-term durability. Okay, we have covered the problem, the diagnosis, and all the potential solutions. But there is one final, absolutely critical piece of this puzzle: choosing the right professional to actually build that new shield for your home. This checklist right here, this is your guide. This is how you find a great contractor. Are they licensed and insured? That's a hard no if they're not. Do they have real local experience with New Jersey weather? Do they give you those detailed photo reports we talked about? You've got to check their reviews, ask for local references, and you absolutely must get a written warranty that covers both the materials and their labor. And finally, demand transparent pricing. A true professional will check every single one of these boxes, no questions asked. And why does all this matter so much? Because a properly installed, well-maintained roof isn't just a quick fix. It's a serious long-term investment. Depending on what you choose, it's going to protect your home for 25, 40, or even more years. It's an investment in decades of safety and, let's be honest, peace of mind. So we're going to leave you with this one thought. Your roof protects your home, your family, your entire world. The real question is, who are you trusting to protect your roof? Making that choice, the right, informed choice, that's one of the most important decisions you'll ever make as a homeowner.